Good evening everyone. I am Rahul Gupta, member Punjab State COVID Control Room. On this 56th day of the curfew, following are the highlights. World COVID-19 figures are confirmed cases 47,38,000, recovered cases 18,23,000, dead 3,13,000. For India, the figures are confirmed cases 91,314, recovered cases 34,581, dead 2,897. As of now, in Punjab, total positive cases are 1,964, which is an increase of 18 over yesterday's figures. Recovered cases are 1,366. Total lives lost so far 35. World 17, sorry, May 17, that is today, is World Hypertension Day. 1 out of 5 persons in the world is hypertensive, which means 113 crore people in the world are hypertensive. That is those who have high blood pressure. And the strange thing is that most of these people do not feel anything. That is why it is commonly known as a silent killer. Uncontrolled hypertension can cause kidney failure, blindness, heart enlargement and stroke. So in order to prevent these problems, it is necessary to ensure timely treatment, which is indeed simple, and the state government provides free medicine. At the same time, hypertension should also be controlled by introducing lifestyle changes like consuming low common salt, having low fat diet, keeping the body weight in check, doing more physical exercise, increasing intake of fruits and raw vegetables, and of course, limiting the use of alcohol and saying total no to tobacco. By now, we are well aware that fatality rate due to COVID-19 is linked with comorbidity factors such as high blood pressure, heart diseases and diabetes. Therefore, in today's time of COVID-19, let us remind ourselves on this occasion of World Hypertension Day that we will get ourselves tested for high blood pressure, especially if we are over 30 years of age. In a major relief to the 11 lakh cattle breeders of Punjab, the state government today decided to provide free vaccination to save the animals from diseases such as hemorrhagic septicemia, swine fever and black water. Government has given these directions in order to provide relief to the cattle breeders who are under stress due to the coronavirus. Currently, the 11 lakh cattle breeders are spending about 3.5 crore rupees every year to get their 65 lakh animals vaccinated. The vaccinations would now be absolutely free. Third phase of curfew was till today. After assessing the situation in Punjab and the neighbouring states, the Punjab government has planned to lift the curfew. However, lockdown will continue till 31st May. Punjab will follow policy of non-containment zones and containment zones wherein only the affected areas will be sealed. ITIs of the state stood up to the challenge posed by COVID-19 and the students of the apparel trade produced over 10 lakh cloth masks under very trying conditions. In the end, it is requested that since curfew has been lifted, it has put added responsibility on our shoulders and we should maintain stricter vigil for COVID-19 and wear masks at all time while going out. In the end, it is requested that please stay home and stay safe from COVID-19. That's all for today. Thank you.